Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing off the MORIMOTO XD headlights on a 5th Gen 4Runner versus the stock headlights on a TRD Off-Road Premium. This unit that we're going to show today is a fully sealed unit. It looks very much like this. However, the TRD Off-Road Premium headlight that we're looking at here is kind of old school. It has an LED headlight, but it has an incandescent turn signal, incandescent high beam, and quite frankly, just has some chrome here that's a little bit unbecoming of this beautiful blocked out truck. So what we're going to show off on this XD headlight is it has 3 jewels for high beams and low beams. Has kind of a black chrome housing on the inside, clear lens, and what really makes it kind of special, I think, other than kind of just deleting some of the dirty chrome that we don't like to see anymore, is it has the daytime running lights and the turn signals integrated to this light bar right here. And then also, this one also has an amber side marker. This is optional. You don't have to have it with or without the side marker on it, or at least clear versus amber. But as you can see on the stock headlight, it comes with a reflector right there. So overall, it's a nice modern upgrade. Gets you a little extra lights and definitely a better look. And I think if you have a 5th Gen 4Runner with a blackout package, it's a must. That's all for today. For more 4Runner content, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to check out the other 4Runner modification videos in the series.